Hey my dear lovely students, a very good morning to all of you. Once again I welcome you in today's video session. In this particular video session we will be studying the revision of decimals regarding addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Do remember to watch the video till the end because this will help you from the examination point of view. I had created few questions which could be very important for you. So watch this video till the end so that you can make maximum profit from it. So without wasting time, let's straight get into our today's video. Thank you. These are the questions which I have prepared for you. As you all can see clearly, there it is: add, subtract 1 and 2. Third, what is to be added to 63.8 to get 74.03. I hope you all are familiar with such questions. You all have solved this type of question in the homework session which I had sent you through WhatsApp. So these are all the questions and we will solve one by one each of these questions till 7th, and here also we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of this 10 and 11 question is for you. Better you write it down clearly, or I'll send you the photograph of this particular page as test work. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's straight start our today's video. This will be a very important class from examination point of view, and those students will not see will definitely suffer in their examination. So let's start. Decimal. The first question is add 4.05 to 40.05, 400.04, 42.07. I hope 079. I hope you all can solve it very clearly. So let's start. Questions. The first question, we have to add 4.05 to 40.05, 400.04 and 42.079. You all know how to add this type of question. Very clearly we will add it. 4.05 to 40.05. We write point just below the point. 05, 400.04 and 42.079. But we will convert all of these decimals into like decimal. Here we have 3 places of decimal, here we have 2 places of decimal. So we'll put 0 over here to make it 3 places of decimal. Again we have 2 places of decimal, so we'll put 0 over here to make it 3 places of decimal. Now they all are in the form of like decimals, and you all know what are like decimals. Having same decimal places after the decimal are known as like decimals. So now we will add this particular terms. You all can add it very clearly. 9 plus 2, 11, 1 carry 1. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 1, 22, 2, carry 2. And here nothing, 2. Here we have 4 plus 2, 6, 4 plus 4, 8 and 4. 486.221 is our answer. This was a very easy question. I hope you all are able to solve such type of question. Now let's move on to second question. The second question was subtract 42.095 from 43. We have to subtract 42.095 from 43. So we will write 43 first. 43 minus 42.095. We will write 43.000. As we have 3 places of decimal over here, so we will convert this particular number into like decimal. 43.000 subtracted by subtraction 42.09. Here we will have a symbol of subtraction. We will take on carry 1, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 9, 0, 1 carry, 10, 10 minus 10, 1 given, that is 9 and 0, 0.905. So this is our required answer, 0.905. Let's move on to third question. That is the second question of subtraction. Subtract 93.93 from 94.94. There is the question 94.94. We will subtract 93.93. 93.93. We will write subtraction over here. 4 minus 3, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. And 94 minus 93 will be equal to 1. So 1.01 is our answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's move on to third. This was the second question of subtraction. Let's move on to third question. The third question is, what is to be added to 63.8 to get 74.03? 63.8 में क्या ऐड करेंगे कि 74.03 आए? So let the number added be x. Let the number added be x. So what are we adding? We are adding x in 63.8. That is 63.8 plus x is equal to 74.03. 74.03. 63.8 में क्या ऐड करेंगे? So the number added be x. We will add x so that we can get 74.03. I hope we all are able to solve such type of equations. We will find the value of x. X is equal to 74.03 plus 63.8. When plus 63.8 will go on the right side, it will change its sign into negative. That is minus 63.8. This method is known as transposition. I hope it is clear to everyone. So x is equal to 74.03 minus 63.8 can be written as 63.80y to convert it into like decimal, as both of the numbers will have two places of decimal. Now we can easily subtract. That is 74.03 minus 63.80. 3 minus 0, 3. 0 will not subtract it, so we will take on carry 1. That is 10 minus 8 will be equal to 2. 1 carry, we are left with 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 1 minus 6 will be equal to 1. So x is equal to 10.23. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 carry, 10 minus 8 will be equal to 2. 3 minus 3 will be equal to 0. And 7 minus 6 will be equal to 1. So what is the value of x? 10.83. So let the number added be x. So what will be added to 63.8? 10.23. We can write we will add .23 in 63.8 to get 74.03. We will add 10.23 in 63.8 to get 74.03. We can also check our answer. We will check our answer. 63.8 plus 10.23. We will add 0 over here to make it like decimal. 3 plus 0, 3. 8 plus 2, 10. 0, carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 6 plus 1, 7. 74.03. This was our 74.03. This was our required result. I hope it is clear to everyone. Here we had solved first question. This is our second question. And the second part of second question. This is our third question. Now let's move on to next question. That is question number 4. What is to be subtracted from 92? 92 में से क्या subtract करेंगे तो हमको मिलेगा 86.50. I hope this is a very easy question for you all. Let's solve it. Question number 4. What is to be subtracted? Subtracted from 92 to get 70 to get 86.50. This is our answer. This is our question. What is to be subtracted from 92 to get 86.50? So let's start on it. What is to be subtracted from 92? Let the number subtracted be x. We have to subtract from 92. That is 92 minus x. And what will we get? We will get 86.50. I hope we all are able to solve such equations. We will find out the value of x. When we put minus x on the right side, what do we get? Plus x. That is 92 is equal to 86.50 plus x. Now I will find the value of x. So we can write 92 plus 86.50. When it will come in the left side, it will have negative side. That is 92 minus 86.50 will be equal to x. So we can subtract 86.50 from 92. That is 92.00 minus 86.50. 1 over carry 100 minus 50 will be equal to 50 and 5.50. 5.50 will be equal to x. Thus we can write. Thus the number subtracted from 92 to get 86.50 is 5.50. 92 में से कितना सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे? We will subtract 5.50 to get 86.50. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's move on to next question. That is question number 5. Find the product 73.92 multiplied by 10. I hope you all can easily solve this type of question. I have taught you earlier. We have to find 73.92 multiplied by 10. multiplied by 10. Whenever you multiply any number by 10, we shift the decimal one step towards right. What will be our answer? 739.2. I had taught you earlier, or simply we can write 7392 multiplied by 10 will be equal to 73920. कितने प्लेस के बाद डेसिमल है? After 2 places. So we will put on decimal 73920. So we will put 2 decimal 739.20, or simply we can write 739.2. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's move on to second part of this question. This was the first part. This is the second part. 85.241 multiplied by 100. Whenever we multiply by 100, we shift the decimal 2 steps towards right because it has 2 zeros. So what will be our answer? 2 steps, that is first step, and 1 more step, that is second step. So 8524.1. This is our answer. You all can solve it in a different way. 85241 multiplied by 100. Simply we will put 24100. कितने प्लेस के बाद डेसिमल है? 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. We will put decimal. This is our answer. 8524.100 or 8524.1. Both are correct. We can write the answer in any of the form. That does not matter. both of the options will be correct. Let's move on to the third question of question number 5. 999.20 multiplied by 1000. Simply, very easy. Whenever you multiply by 1000, you shift the decimal 3 steps towards right. 1, 2, 3. So 3 steps. We will write 99920. First step, second step. In the third step, we don't have any digit, so we will put 0 over here and put a decimal here, and again 0. So what will be our answer? 999,200 will be our answer. Or simply we can solve 99920 multiplied by 1000. We get 99920 and 000. 99920 multiplied by 1000 000. कितने प्लेस को डेसिमल लगाना है? आफ्टर 2 places, 1 and 2. So our answer 999,200. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's move on to next question. That is question number 6. If the cost of 1 meter ribbon is 35.80, find the cost of 9.8 meter ribbon. We all can solve it. Very easy question. Cost of 1 meter ribbon. Cost of 1 meter ribbon is equal to rupees 35.80. Therefore, cost of 9.8 meter ribbon, we will multiply rupees 35.80 multiplied by 9.8, and when we multiply, what do we get the result? The result will be 350.84. You all can solve it and see. Let's move on to next question. That is question number 7. If the price of one cupcake is rupees 14.50, the price of a cupcake is rupees 14.50. Find cost of 5 such cupcakes. First of all, we will write a statement in this type of question. So let's start question number 7. If the price of one cupcake, cost of one cupcake is equal to rupees 14.50. Therefore, cost of 5 cupcakes will be equal to rupees 14.50 multiplied by 5. Simply, you all can solve it. 14.50 multiplied by 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2. 14 5s are 70 and 2 72.50. So what is the cost of 5 cupcakes? Rupees 72.50. Let's move on to next question. That is question number 8. Divide 6.28 by 1000. Question number 8. Divide 6.28 by 1000. I taught you in the previous video that whenever we divide a decimal number by 1000, we shift the decimal place towards left. That is 6.28 divided by 1000. So we will shift the decimal 3 step towards left. So what will be our answer? One step will be 6. One step will be 6, but still we need 2 steps, and we don't have 2 steps, so we will write 2 0 and 6 2 8. Understand it very clearly. The decimal was here, so first place, second place, and third place. Here will be our decimal. This will be our answer. 0.00628. I hope it is clear to everyone. And if you don't understand this method, we will simply solve using division. So let's see that method also, other method, or 6.28 divided by 1000. First of all, forget this decimal. इस decimal को आप भूल जाइए. Now keep on dividing. हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं 1000 से किसको? 628. क्या डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? No. So we will put 0 over here. What do we get? 0. 1006 जा 6000. Remainder 0 8 2. फिर भी नहीं. We have point over here. We can bring 0. 1002 जा 2000. We are left with 800. Again point over here. We get a 0. 1008 ja 8000. So what is our answer? 0.628. But we have to put decimal where? Before 2 places. पहले से यहाँ पर decimal है और 2 प्लेस और पहले. That means 2 more 0. 0.00628. यहाँ पर decimal था, लेकिन 2 डिजिट के पहले decimal लगाना है. So what will be 2 digit? That is 2 0. So our answer will be 0.00628 or 0.00628. By any method, the answer will be same. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's see question number 9. Divide 0.768 by 60. Divide 0.768 by 60. Very easy. We will write 0.768 divided by 60. First of all, forget this point. इस point को भूल जाइए. And now we keep on dividing. That is 768 will be divided by 16. 16 4 ja 64. 6 minus 4 2, 7 minus 6 1, and again 80 will come. 16 8 ja 128. So what do we get? 48. When we divided 768 by 16, what we got? We get 48. But where we have to put the decimal? We have to put the decimal before 3 places. So we don't have decimal over here, so we will put before 3 places. That is 1 place, 2 place, 1 place, 2 place, and 3 place, and decimal over here. So this will be our answer. 0.048. 768. We had to divide 0.768 by 16. तो 768 को 16 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमको मिलेगा 48. But we have to put decimal before 3 places. 1 2 3. So we will put before 3 places. That is 1 2 3. 0.048. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let's see the last question of our today's video. That is a word problem. Question number 12. Monica cut 46 meter cloth into pieces of 1.5 meter each. 46 मीटर लंबे कपड़े को वो 1.15 मीटर के टुकड़े में काट देती है. How many pieces does she get? Length of each piece 1.15 meter. Length of each piece, एक टुकड़े का लंबाई कितना है? 1.15 मीटर. Total length of cloth, पूरे कपड़े का लंबाई कितना है? 46 मीटर. So we have to find the length. How many pieces did she get? इतना 1.15 मीटर का कट की और टोटल 46 मीटर था तो कितना कट की. Therefore total pieces she got is equal to 46 divided by 1.15. I hope it is clear to everyone. We can divide 46 divided by 1.15. If we remove decimal, what do we get?
ones, tens, 100. What do we get? 100. Now our question will be 46 into 100 divided by 150. We can divide this with 5. 5 2s are 10, 20. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 50. And 23 2s are 46. 22s are 40. So how many pieces? 40 pieces did she get? I hope it is clear to everyone. So this was all the questions. Kindly note it down and once again solve. So this was the question. Everyone kindly look at the question and take a screenshot if possible of all the questions. I'll send you this question. So this was the question, and here also. This question number 10 and 11 is for you. Kindly solve and send me this question number 10 and 11. So this is end of our today's video session of revision of decimals. In the next video session, we will be starting on with another new chapter. Till then, thank you all. Have a good day.